Hello kids, how are you doing? Well, hope everybody's fine. I know you are great, okay? Wow, this is almost over. This is almost done. Okay, you guys are kids of third grade already. Oh my goodness, time goes by so fast. Look, we're done with the book. We're done with everything. We're gonna do just a little for you to color it, okay? And here at the bottom, wow, we're gonna circle and put the right word. Okay, this is just a little review of vocabulary. Okay, and I think it's fun. It's fun for you to do. I know the course has been tough and we're tired, but this is over. Okay, so cheer up and let's go for it. Okay, all right, just think about holidays, vacation, the beach, the mountain, all those things you guys love, okay? And they're around the corner, okay? I hope you've been good. With me, you guys are being perfect. And color, okay? For example, I got here a guitar, an orange, a jacket, a girl, juice, jumper, garden, giraffe. Okay, and now I want you to paint number one, brown. Brown, remember the brown? Number one, the guitar, brown. Number two, orange. Let's paint it orange. Perfect. Orange, orange. Okay, it's a fruit and a color. That's a good thing about it. All right. Now the jacket. Let's see the jacket. Let's paint it green. I like it green. Yeah, a green jacket. Oh my goodness. And the girl, we're gonna paint it. Let's see, red. We're gonna paint the girl red. Okay. The juice. Well, let's see. This is grape juice. All right. It's not just orange juice. We got grape juice. So you're gonna do it. Paint it purple. Purple. I like purple. So number five, you're gonna paint it purple. All right. Well, we got number six, the jumper. All right. I love a pink jumper. Paint the pink, please. Pink is a great color. So jumper, pink. Okay, now look. Here we have a garden. Okay. In the garden, we're gonna give different colors. Okay. How about yellow and how about a let's see blue? Yellow and blue. Great. That would be a great color for garden. Yellow and blue. Just paint whatever you feel like. Okay. And now we have a giraffe. Wow, a giraffe. I don't know what color should we paint. Have you ever seen a let's see a black giraffe? Well, paint it black. Why not? Remember to leave those big eyes clear so they can see, but you can paint it black. Okay? So we got the colors right there. Perfect. Okay, now let's go here and we got the same thing. Circle, right, and color. Okay, well this one, they already say which color you have to paint it. For example, the yellow duck is happy. So now the duck, you're gonna have to paint it yellow. Okay, now here we have green, blue, and red. Okay, so there's a green bug on the table. Which one you think? I remember this is a bug. This one is a bug. So which one is the bug? Ah, you got me there. You got me. All right. So paint the bug green. And remember, you have to put here bug. Big blue. I don't know. Truck. Yeah, why not a truck? So paint the. Oh, whoops! Almost did it. This is a house. Where's the truck? Very simple. Truck. Okay, so write down truck. Here we have, let's see, wow, we have a mouth and an umbrella. So my red, it's open. That one's very simple. I just said both of them. Okay, so remember to paint them yellow, green, blue, perfect. Well, that was very, very simple. Okay, all right. Remember the colors we said over here. And remember, okay, you read guitar, orange, jacket, girl, juice, jumper, garden, giraffe. The pronunciation, like your teacher. Okay, so it's a guy. Okay, guitar, orange, jacket, girl, juice, jumper then, giraffe. You see how simple it is? You can do it too. I know you can. Well, great. And I think this is going to be it. Okay. Remember these names too. Dog, dog, bug, book, truck, house, umbrella, mouth. My mouth, your mouth, the one we speak with. Well, this is kind of shy. This is almost over. Next week we'll have more. Let's see if we can do something fun, something that you like to do. Okay. And all I can say is just have a great week. Have a stupendous weekend, the best weekend, and more coming up. Trust me. Okay. And just wanted to say, you guys, that I miss you a lot. I love you a lot. And let's go for it. Last push. Let's do it, okay? Love you guys. Bye bye. See you later. Have fun.